Alright guys, so you are welcome to this edition of our tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your Canva to achieve mockup designs. How you can use your Canva to achieve mockup design. So how do we get to use Canva to get mockup design? So all I have to do now is, of course, this is our canva.com, and I'll go to create a design. I'll go to create a design and I'll click on Instagram post square. I'll click on Instagram post square. I'm going to show you a variety of things you understand from Canva and how you're going to unlock this simple Canva to creating your mockup designs. So it's very simple. Okay, so you allow it to load completely like this. Alright, so it's still loading. Now this is your Canva interface. So what you need to do now is to scroll down on the left hand side of your Canva. On the left hand side of your Canva, you scroll down and you locate apps. Can you see these apps now? You click on these apps. You click on these apps. You click on these apps now, for example. Okay, and so you click on you could go to search button here and you search for mockup. You search for mockup. You search for mockups and you click on mockup. Can you see it now? So you click on this mockup here and then you click on this open. You click on this open. So there are a lot of things available for you in these apps here. You see it now. So it's just for you to utilize them and then you start getting to what use them. Okay, now you can see we have popular mockups. You have smartphones mockup, you have the print mockup, you have the apparel. Can you see it now? We have the apparel. Let me click on this smartphones option now. You can see it now. So these are the various options that we have here. You can see it now. So I can decide to use this particular one here. For example, this is a mockup. This is a phone mockup. Okay, you can see that you can increase it. You can place it somewhere around here. You can see it now. And then this is the background color here. This is the background color. So I can decide to change the background color and say let me say red, for example, or let me use white. Let me just maintain the white. And then this is my phone mockup here. So I'll go to my file manager. I'll go to my file manager and then I'll scroll down. I'll look for a simple graphics, probably the one I designed before, and then I'll drop it here. Okay, okay. Alright, let me use this one. Let me use this particular design here and drop it inside this mockup here, this phone mockup. You just drop it inside, then automatically it will reflect on the mockup design. Can you see it now? So this is awesome. So I can decide to write a text now. Say text. We can be your graphic design blog. Okay, then remove this one here, but you should design your own to be more professional. I'm just trying to show you that you can design something from this. Okay, you can design something from this and then Can you see it now? So you can do something out of this particular stuff here. So you can design more, or you just leave it like this. You understand? Depends on what you want to achieve with this mockup. Can you see it now? So you can use this mockup feature to do something like this. So I can delete it also and try other options. So once you have added your mockup, you find out that it's going to appear on the left hand side of your Canva. So it's going to be like a tool that you are using on Canva. So you click on mockup again to see other options. So I can have this guy here, this man also as an example. Now I can have this kind of mockup and then place the design inside his phone. So I'll just go to uploads, the graphics I have before, I'll just drop it inside. I'll drop it like this, and then it will start reflecting on the words on the phone. It will not look as if this man is watching the graphics on this phone. You understand? You see that it's going to reflect in a moment now. Can you see it now? So this is just the mockup I just did here now. Let me zoom in so that I can see it now. Can you see that the design is appearing on the words on the mobile phone? So that's for that. Another mockup you can see. There are so many. Just get your mockup designs on your Canva. You'll find out that you can use so many. Now let's look at prints. Let's check for prints. Let's check for prints now. Now you can see you can see that I can use let me use this lady here. Okay, this particular one here, this mockup here. Okay, so I can drop a picture of my graphics on this. I'll just drop my graphics here and it will reflect on the words on the frame. It will reflect on the frame. To reflect on the frame. So just give it some time. It's going to reflect on the frame. Awesome. Can you see it now? So this is our work. Can you see it now? So it will not look as if this lady here is admiring our work. You see it now? So it depends on what you want to do. You can add a caption for it, a better caption for it. You understand? So you can do something like this too for yourself or for your clients. You get it now? So I will delete it. I'll get other options too for mockups. Okay, for example, packaging. Let's see under packaging now. Under packaging, you can explore more options here. You understand? So let's say, for example, you want to do something like this now. Let's say for a tomato paste, for example, a tomato paste. Let me delete this text here, then change the background here to maybe brown or something, or let me change it to black. Okay, then let me go to uploads now. Go to uploads, and then I'll add the picture I've already uploaded before, and then I'll drop it there. You see the beauty of the work now. So you can use mockup to get anything. You understand? Like to make it look real. That's what mockup is used for. To make that design look more real. You understand? So you can use mockup. Can you see it now? So you can design something for a client, and then you can use this to show the client how the final job will look like. So this is it for you. Yeah, right? So mockup again, let me just show you one final mockup that you can still use. There are so many. You understand? So let's go to graphics. Other graphics. Let's go to graphics. Okay, let me use this let's use this particular one here. So let's say you want to use this now. Okay, let's say you want to use this now. Okay, so I'll go to uploads and then I'll drop it here. You see the effect of that mockup. You see the effect here. It's going to appear on the on the laptop screen. Can you see it now? So this is just how to create your mockup designs easily with Canva. So this is how you are going to do it, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.